HP has recently introduced an exciting addition to its Envy X360 15 lineup, with the launch of two new laptops that cater specifically to the needs of creative professionals. These cutting-edge devices come with a sleek 2-in-1 appearance, combining the versatility of a laptop with the convenience of a tablet, and offer a range of innovative features to enhance the creative workflow. One of the most notable aspects of the new Envy X360 15 laptops is the integration of AI-powered capabilities, which elevate the user experience and streamline various tasks, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. This remarkable addition to the Envy series boasts a stunning 15.6-inch OLED display, which not only supports touch input, but also features a versatile 360-degree hinge. With its 2-in-1 form factor, this laptop effortlessly transforms into a tablet, granting users the freedom to explore various modes of interaction. The 15.6-inch size offers ample screen real estate for creative work, multimedia consumption, or simply enjoying immersive content. However, what sets the Envy X360 15 apart from other laptops is its pioneering support for IMAX Enhanced. This laptop is the world's first to incorporate IMAX Enhanced technology, bringing the unparalleled quality of IMAX to a portable computing device. It also encompasses audio, ensuring a complete sensory experience. With powerful speakers and advanced audio technology, the laptop delivers rich and immersive sound, further immersing users in their favorite movies, shows, or digital content. HP has recently unveiled the Envy X360 15 in two variants, providing consumers with a choice between the latest Intel and AMD processors. These powerful CPUs ensure top-notch performance and cater to different user preferences and requirements. The first variant, often referred to as the Team Blue version, comes equipped with Intel's 13th Gen core processors. Users have the option to choose between the i5 to 1335U or the more advanced i7 to 1335U processor. To complement the processing power, the Envy X360 15 offers up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth and responsive performance even during intensive tasks. In terms of storage, the Team Blue variant provides 1TB of Gen 4 NVMe SSD storage, delivering fast data transfer speeds and ample space for files and media. On the other hand, the second variant, referred to as the Team Red version, incorporates AMD's Ryzen 7000 series processors. Users can opt for either the Ryzen 5 7530U or the Ryzen 7 7730U CPU, both of which deliver impressive performance and energy efficiency. The Envy X360 15 Team Red variant supports up to 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, offering fast and efficient memory performance. Storage options include a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, providing ample storage space and swift access to files and applications. The Intel-powered variant of the Envy X360 15 offers two graphics options. Users can choose between the NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card, which delivers exceptional performance for gaming and graphics-intensive applications, or the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, which provide excellent visuals and efficiency for everyday tasks and multimedia consumption. The Envy X360 15 laptops offer additional notable features to enhance the overall user experience. The dual-speaker setup, with audio tuned by Bang & Olufsen, ensures immersive sound quality, whether users are watching movies, playing games, or listening to music. The inclusion of an IR camera enables convenient and secure logins through Windows Hello facial recognition. Additionally, a privacy shutter on the webcam allows users to protect their privacy by physically blocking the camera when not in use. The Envy X360 15 laptops come preloaded with Windows 11, the latest operating system from Microsoft. Windows 11 offers an enhanced user interface, improved performance, and a range of new features developed to enhance productivity and creativity. Users can take advantage of the latest innovations and capabilities provided by Windows 11 to further optimize their computing experience. In summary, the Envy X360 15 laptops deliver an impressive range of features to enhance the user experience. Whether it's the powerful graphics options, immersive audio, advanced security features, or the inclusion of Windows 11, these laptops are developed to cater to the needs of both gamers and creative professionals. With their sleek appearance and color options, the Envy X360 15 laptops offer not only exceptional performance, but also a touch of personal style. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Have a nice day and see you soon.